Today I'm hanging out with one of the coolest guys I've ever met, Mr. Hadi.
Hi guys.
Everybody, or most people know his name is Ali, but he's just Mr. Hadi. Kijk, meneer, vandaag is een forum samen met mij man.
Likewise,
Kijk,
man.
like, like how many, 5, 6 years ago, I was the first time I approached you, né?
The first time you approached me was in 2021. That time I think I was 18, 19 years old. I was still doing matric that time. And you came to me and you asked me, how does it feel? Niet het van vraag?
Ons kan moet Afrikaans,
Ja, ons
Afrikaans,
kan
Engels,
Afrikaans praten, ja.
Anglikaans.
Anyway, toen vraagde we mij, hoe voelt het om een besigheid te runnen?
Oh,
En toen zei ik, moest voor jou, vaar het dag bij dag, basically. You know, take it day by day, pray about it, work on it. Van elke dag as jy happy day nie man.
prayer is baie
You know,
belangrijk.
pray is very important. And 6, 7 years later, he's like no, you
Ja,
know, and eventually, nothing changed, but the ranks changed. I got more exposure. I got involved with community work, and from there I started to grasp and to work on things.
ja, maar
You
als ik zo
know.
inbreek, né?
Mm.
Maar kijk, die man is gekomen tot een Dura nou die dag. Ik is verbaasd. Kijk, niemand van het land is wel eens aankomen, maar die man steek op, yo. En die Dura, ja.
Yeah, I remember that night. I was like thinking about where's that guy who came to me 7 years ago. Toen sien
En
ik mos jouw video op TikTok. Toen zei ik hom, toe sê ek my broer het mos langs aan my huis uitgesit. Toe sê ek hom nou ons gaan maak 'n draai by haar broer se huis binne in die uur aan die flitser
at night,
at night
in
basically.
die aanden.
And I was like I'm not gonna sleep till I see where's that guy because that guy's making a great content.
En als je naar iemand dan met content is geven, en ik hoor het nooit, maar yo, die bra wat ik, kijk eens zo. I really like seeing young people. This is a young man doing things like going out and getting out there and making things happen. I've been dreaming of starting a business for say my whole life. Or say decades, not my whole life, but and here's a young man, 20, 20 small, 20 man, 20 nung, and young man, and he's running a business. He came driving in his own bakkie on that day. Yo, I I love seeing young people really going out there and making things happen, pursuing their dreams. Like you just said, like you know what I said,
Yeah.
as je altijd makkelijk.
No, you know, there's always a judgment, you know, yeah, there's a Somalian and what. But you see me that's been born in South Africa, in Atlantis, in a small town, you know, going through all these cultural things and like my family back at home won't even look at me the same because I'm not like from where they from, you know. Like I've adapted the way of the South Africans, you know, and like being in a colored community and understanding what they talking about in their languages it's like it's like a plus thing, you know, something you just add on. And as time went on, like in schools people talk about yeah these are buitenlander, maar hulle sal nou nie dink dat die broer verstaan hoe die taal, you know, like he's been in the hood for a while, you know. So that's one of the things that people find it as shocking, you know, to persevere through trials and tribulations, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so not, you know, through all the difficulties, you know, it's basically prayer, hard work, effort.
Ik was ja verbaasd toen ik gezien, toen ik wow hoe zij Afrikaans spraken. En dan dus ik dus allemaal is zo in.
Yeah.
I know to voelen man maar meer familiar. Some start feeling more familiar because this guy is his sound is the way he's tone everything is like like me and my
Yeah.
neighbors and so it's like it opens my eyes to see how can I say Somalians is not just that guy in the tuck shop.
Basically, as I typical dang van 'n Somalian. Ja, elke Somalian week in 'n taxi op ja en wat. Maar ik is de enigste, ik kan nou niet zeggen ik is de enigste Somaliër nie, maar South African Somaliër. Van nou 'n retail store run en ek sal vir julle miskien bietjie van wys van wat ek doen
Ja,
en
absoluut.
ons kan maar gaan.
Ja, ja.
Kan ek maar vir hulle wys?
Ja, ja, maar kijk ik Oospak. En die gewoon die camera turnen.
Basically dit is wat ek nou doen, typical goede. You know, en ek sal vir miskien julle pad na die besigheid familie.
Auw, zo voorrecht manier, man.
As time went on, that long nights driving on the highway, buying stuff, and that's what it turns out to be. You know? And this was a wholesaler, kay is general dealer,
Jalla,
kay is
family business.
family business.
Nee,
Dat is 10 kennis, maar hij is maar,
10.
hij is mijn mouw.
Mag ik maar?
Antimina,
Kan ik maar? Ai, mag ik maar? Hallo Antimina. I'm just want to take a tour with one of the coolest guys I've ever met.
ja, so hij basically,
Aangenaam.
basically you know wat ons nou weet. Wholesaler, basically a mixture. Maar kala daar zien achter wat goedertjes koop, Somalië ook en een Malawi, etc.
Zo, hij van,
Ja, ja, allemaal basically.
zo nog van een berry van skinberry of zo'n is.
Ons is zo mensen. Ons is basically involved in the community.
En wat ik in maaien van bij jong mensen, hou van bij jou staan in de cruciaals.
Misschien zoals Brazil, die we samen in de school. Zo man, de mensen in die party.
Ja, maar jong leidt tikkie zoek man. Ik hou van hij wat zij wel amper zijn mentor is. Hij is
Ik
kwaai.
heb altijd voor me gezegd, leave a mark wherever you at.
Saturday I wanted to introduce my son to you.
Ja.
Ik wil nou van, ik wil hij moet zien, hoe kan ik zeggen, een jong man wat bizar maakt, wat kan ik zeggen, hard werk, maar net hoor van jouw kant af. Van bij van die jong mensen, maar keer die. Hij moet wijzen op iemand of een jong man te gaan zien wat, oké, wat de business ran.
Ja.
Scary, maar zo doen die man het. En die bakje was mee gereden, hij is zo eie ding, ne? Hoeveel karren is er nou al? Kijk daar, hij is, wacht, ik draai. Kijk eens zo, hij is harde werk, hij is commitment. En zoals iemand zei, het is niet makkelijk. Maar als het die direct, kan ze ook hij het zien. Voor alle zij wat die zo wat de community ken. Back to the staff, the so.
Yeah. So, you know, there's no such thing as you're entitled to anything. Like, you gotta go get it. Like I said, prayer, effort, hard work. Dat is de enigste drie wat je moet doen.
Mooi zo man.
Ja. Atlantis.
Kan je zo, en hij is op.
Ja. No.
Ja, zoeken wij zo een beetje van jouw
Ja.
vissen industry, vissen business.
Ja, basically, probeer maar niet. Dit is nou de latest wankel wat ik nog weet nou aan Atlantis.
Ai, prachtig. Ik word altijd gekomen met strijdkat kipjes te koop.
Ja.
Hopefully.
Basically, hij deed wat ik was in de matriek. Toen mijn braad zo mij gezegd, ja, het zal niks maken in die leven niet. Het zal altijd sokjes en pintjes verkoop. Maar kijk nou, van sokjes en pintjes verkoop, is ik nou mijn eigen baas.
Ja, baie mense gaan sê jy sal dit kan maak en baie mense gaan negatief wees, maar kyk hier die man in 'n business, 'n jong man. Ja, ek het baie jong mense wat regtig soos ek almal kan sê, jong mense wat hy risk vat.
Ja,
En as was mosie daar noem het is nie altyd maklik nie.
als je altijd die sunshine. Ik zal me ook nog voor
Ja,
jullie mijn bikkie,
verloren al.
mijn broer voor jullie wijzen.
Dit ja verloor al.
Als ik wie, een klein broertje, hij zal maar misschien wel eens
Jong moet- je moet-
met een paard.
Salam meneer.
Nou,
Hoop het gaan goed meneer. Hoop het gaan goed.
ja, het gaat goed met mij.
Met respect bosman.
So basically, one of the negativity things that I've experienced, basically while growing up, they all always had rotten apples. You know, that's always throwing negative comments at the person. Well, that's just a trial or a phase that we all gonna go through. There are always people that's gonna break us, you know. But that's just a test in our life, you know. Not whatever they say is gonna happen. It's always about us pushing and making things work and believing in God as well.
I love the fact that, wait, before we go, I love the fact that you are, how can I say, faithful.
Yeah.
You believe in prayer and always reference God. It's like, how many times did you just say prayer and joke about God?
Yeah.
It's, it's a, I
So doing,
remember that
yeah,
faith, prayer always keep God in mind.
and you know, no, doing good never harmed anyone, and doing like charitable work never made anybody broke. You know, so it's always about doing the right thing as well. You know, irrespective whether you made it in life. One of the things that I always say, being boastful is not actually good. That can also attract evil. So I choose to be humble, just to show you guys today what I'm all about in Atlantis.
And one last thing, um, I know Muslims. Yes, you are Muslim.
Yeah,
Muslims don't like to talk about the things they do or the.
yeah,
But I've seen you also like helping less privileged people, like especially with food.
yeah. You
Yeah,
know, not like I told one of my sergeant. I don't know if you guys know for Sergeant Smiles or Captain Smiles is a policeman. I always told him, you know, feeding someone who is hungry, their prayers get answered quicker. Because once you feed the stomach's prayer is more stronger than the heart. Because you're actually feeding someone. You know, you might not know if that person had their last meal maybe day before yesterday. You know, you come and feeding them. You know, so that's actually putting a smile on the less privileged as well. You know, we shouldn't also forget about the less privileged people because they're also human beings. They deserve to be treated with dignity as well.
and I know I read in the Bible the Lord says when you feed somebody that's hungry, it is as if you are doing it to Him, as if you are giving the Lord. So help the people, help when you can, and sorry that
And
I'm a little
no,
nervous, but it's just like
and that's okay.
it's like I really feel privileged to be able to stand here with Mr. Hadi, yes, you Mas Ali, Mania, much respect, man.
Likewise, man. I really appreciate that you came today and so love people.
One last thing for your fans.
Uh, Stay good, stay humble.
Mensen, ik heb die lachen een beetje schijn naar de man, een beetje handsome. Like, mensen, if you watch it so far, please give this like this young man a like, give a comment, and share this the message of positivity with everybody, anybody, family, friends, and as far as you can. Mr. Ali,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Hadi,
Yes,
I salute you.
thank you.